Welcome to another exciting DIY science project on our channel. Today, we're going to explore the intricate world of animal cells by creating a stunning 3D model using simple materials like a plastic ball, cardboard, and clay. Also, we are going to share some tips to present your animal cell model 3D project in a science exhibition in front of examiners or visitors. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the secrets of the animal cell in a fun and creative way. We're taking our animal cell model project to the next level by incorporating a plastic ball to give it a 3D shape. And then let's use cardboard to showcase the cell cytoplasm in our model. But that's not all. To make the organelles come to life in our animal cell model, we're using the innovative Fevicryl molded clay set. Get ready to create a visually stunning and scientifically accurate representation of an animal cell. This animal cell model project is not only an easy and fun activity, but it's also a great way to learn about human cell projects and the inner workings of a cell. And the best part? It's an easy project that you can do at home with your family or friends. You can use this project for a science fair experiment, a classroom presentation, or just a fun activity with your family and friends. So, whether you're a biology student or just a science enthusiast, this animal cell model project is perfect for you. Let's get creative and start building our 3D animal cell model with labels. So, here are some tips for presenting your animal cell model in a science exhibition. Introduction. Begin by introducing yourself and your project. Explain that you have created a model of an animal cell using a plastic ball, cardboard, and clay. Explanation of the model. Briefly explain the key parts of your model and how it represents the different structures within an animal cell. For example, good morning or afternoon or evening, everyone. Today, I'm excited to present to you my animal cell model. This model is a representation of a typical animal cell and contains all of its major organelles. First, let's start with the nucleus. As you can see, it's the largest organelle in the cell and is often referred to as the control center of the cell. It contains the cell's genetic material, which is organized into chromosomes. Inside the nucleus, you can also see the nucleus, which is responsible for making ribosomes. Moving on, we have the nuclear membrane, which surrounds the nucleus and helps protect it. Next, we have the endoplasmic reticulum, which is a network of tubes and sacs that help transport proteins and lipids throughout the cell. The Golgi apparatus is next, and it looks like a stack of pancakes. This organelle modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for transport to different parts of the cell or for export outside the cell. Next up, we have the mitochondria, which are often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. These organelles are responsible for producing energy in the form of ATP through a process called cellular respiration. Moving on, we have the vacuole, which is a large organelle that stores water, nutrients, and other substances. In plant cells, the vacuole is even larger and plays a more important role in maintaining the cell's structure and storing nutrients. We also have vesicles, which are small membrane-bound sacs that transport materials between different parts of the cell. And finally, we have lysosomes, which are organelles that contain enzymes used to break down waste materials and cellular debris. Last but not least, we have the centrosome, which is responsible for organizing microtubules during cell division. Overall, this animal cell model is a great representation of a typical animal cell and all of its major organelles. Thank you for taking the time to check it out. Comparison. Compare your model to actual photographs or animal cell diagrams to demonstrate your model's accuracy. Take questions. Answer any questions the examiners may have about your model. Be prepared to discuss the materials you used, how you made it, and any challenges you faced. Remember, Being confident and enthusiastic when presenting your model is important. Make sure you practice your presentation beforehand so that you feel comfortable and prepared on the day of the exhibition. Good luck!